Why, hello everybody, it's Fundations time. Are you ready to rock out with your letter sounds? All right, here we go. A apple A safe A. D, D. E ed E Pete E. I itch I pine I. J, J. O octopus O home O. U up U mule U rule oo. V, V. X, X. CH, TH. What's the noisy sound for TH? I and K, ink. ING, ing. And now it's me. I'm back. I want to see you more closely. How'd you do with that warm up? Baby Echo said you did well. There's still another part for us to do, my friends. I want us to work on dun, 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 R control. Remember that controlling letter R, that when it comes after a vowel, it changes the way it sounds. Here they are. AR, car R. OR, horn or. ER, her. IR, bird. UR, burn. Nice job. And we have our vowel teams. AI, bait A. AY, play A. EE, Jeep E. EA, eat E. EY, key E. OI, coin oi. OY, boy oi. Great job. And for our trick words today, rather than you reading them, I want to see if you can spell them. So I'll say a trick word and you try to spell it out loud. Ready? Picture it in your mind's eye to help you. Nothing. How do you spell nothing? Okay, how'd you do? Write it with your finger, even like right on your leg or on your tabletop, and spell it. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, let's do another one. Spell the word friend. Come on, spell it out loud. Okay, check it to mine. Were you right? Take your finger and write it and spell it out loud with me. Friend. Okay, and let's spell out one more. Does. Okay, how did you do spelling it? Let's practice. DOES. Does. Okay, my friends. Next, we are going to have a little fun with some nonsense words. I would like you to get out your Velcro boards, your tile boards. And first, you're going to read some that I do, and then you're going to build some. So we're going to do some silly nonsense words and try to read them. We're not going to make real words today. We're going to be super silly. So I'm going to make one that starts with a blend. And I'm going to put a glued sound on it. What is my word? Ink. Flink. Is that a real word? Nope. Let's have some fun with it, and I'm going to keep changing the glued sound, and let's see if we come up with any real ones or if they're all fake. What's this one say? Flang. Real word? Nah. How about this? Fling. Yeah, that's a real one. You could fling a crumb, fling a bug, fling it away. How about this? Flung. She flung it away. Kind of a weird word. All right, let's make another silly word. How about I put a digraph in there and a vowel, consonant, E. All right, what does this say? Ch-abe, chabe. That's a really silly word. I want everybody to go ahead and build ABE on your board. Abe. Good. And what you're going to do is take turns putting different consonants before. Chabe. Pick any one that you want from your board. It has to be a consonant. And try reading it. Yabe. All these words will rhyme because the last part stays the same. Fabe. And most of them are silly words. Fabe. Go ahead, keep making up any words you can with abe. A consonant E. Do 3 different words and read them out loud. Okay, let's spell it away. Put your tiles back on your board. And watch me. I'm going to build another one for you to read. All right, take a look. What's this nonsense word? Tap it out for me. Strek. 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 That's a silly one. It's got a big 3-letter blend, and k at the end is CK because it's right after the vowel. What if I change the vowel to a U? Is this a real word? Struck. Yes, it is. Okay. You can pause the screen here and have a little fun. I want you to make 5 silly nonsense words and read them. Come back after you've made some silly but appropriate words. Okay, you're back. You made your nonsense words? Okay. Make sure everything is put away and neat. Make sure it's in the right spot so it looks just like mine. And we are going to do a word of the day. So you don't need your Velcro board for the rest of today. Watch as I build a word. It is vowel, consonant E, and it has a suffix S at the end. Everyone, what does my base word say? Rule. Very good. And in rule, the U kind of has the ooh sound. Now, what is my whole word? Rules. Very good. Let's talk about rules a little bit. What kind of rules do you have where you live? Do you have any rules? I'm sure you do. Oh, you have to take your shoes off and when you get in the house. You have to respect whoever you live with. Good. Clean up after yourself. Yeah, these are important rules. So we need a sentence to go with our word of the day. Maybe our sentence could be, rules keep us safe, right? Sometimes we have rules like about driving or wearing helmets to keep us safe. Okay, so since this is a word of the day, we need to mark the word. So we will scoop the syllable, the base word, circle the suffix, and rules is vowel consonant E with a silent E. And this is one of those times where the U says ooh, but we still mark it with a macron, even though it says ooh and not a U. Okay, I would like you to read it with me. Rules keep us safe. Please go into your student notebook now. Remember, it might be pink, it might be green, and find the vocabulary section. You'll find the letter R. This is T. This is where you write it. You write the word, mark it up, and then the sentence and scoop it. Go ahead and pause while you work on this. Rules. Rules keep us safe. Very nice. Okay, if you're back, you must have that entered. And I'm wondering, can anyone think of any other word that has the U sound, that's U consonant E, but it sounds like ooh? Thought of one. Oot. The U sounds like an ooh in flute. Pretend to play a flute. Okay. So we have a little something else to work on now. We are going to do some dry erase board. Okay, we're going to do a few words. So go ahead, get your dry erase board and your marker. And let's start with the word shakes. Baby Echo shakes when he's scared. What's the base word? Shake. Good. Tap it out and spell it out loud. Ache. Remember that rule that when we have ache, it's a K that comes after the A. Okay, that's one of the vowel consonant E rules that we talked about. Shakes. All right, here's shakes. And we need to underline the base word, circle the suffix. And what kind of syllable is this? Vowel, consonant, E. Cross off our E and put our macron over our A. Shakes. Nice job. Let's leave that there and go down to the next line. We'll do 3 words today. Our next word, we're going to stick with the K theme to help you remember that when we hear K in a vowel consonant E, it is the K. Here's your next one. Snake. Let's tap out snake. Ache. Snake. Snakes. Turn it into snakes. Make it more than one snake. Take your time, but when you're ready, check it to mine. Shake, snake. Those words rhyme. Shakes, snakes. Okay, and this next word is our last one today. Brides. What's the base word? Bride. I want you to be really careful here about your B's and your D's. Please remember, D, d-d-d, is like a d-d-d-d drum. They both say d-d-d. Starts on the plain line. You make the drum first, then you go up. B starts way up in the sky and goes down, kind of like lips. I think of this long thing as my lips because I put my lips together to say B. Then it goes up and around. Drum, lips. Use that to help you when you do the word bride. Do bride and then make it say brides. Pause if you need more time. Tap out what you wrote. Check it out. B-r-I-d. Bride. Brides. Okay, now let's mark it together. Underline the base word, circle the suffix, and here's our underline or our scoop for a syllable. It's vowel consonant E, silent E, macron over the I, long I. Okay, let's read our words. Shakes, snakes, brides. Great job on those, everybody. We're going to stop there for today, so make sure that you erase your board so that it's clean for next time, and we will see you tomorrow.